it is. It's in there. It's fine. Okay, fine, I'll take it out. We'll take it out, okay? Go throw the fit.
This is what he was freaking out over in the box. In one of the scenes, you can see this around his head, the yellow ring. But just so everyone knows, he's okay. He's just hormonal right now. I did not expect him to freak out so bad. He got mad at us for taking this out of the box, so we put it back in to make him happy, and apparently we just did.
Hoy! Complete! Alaga kasi ni Blue yan eh. Hoy, clean! Yan, inaaway ka tuloy ni Blue. Alam mo. Sige.
So this is my attack dog. People are more afraid of him than they are of most things. Go get him, boy! Yeah, you see that charging at you? Come here, Sam. See this thing charging at you? You better be terrified. Yeah, you better be terrified. They're scary. You're a scary boy. Yeah, yeah, you bad. You a bad, bad boy, huh? Yeah, you gonna mess him up for me, right? Yeah. That's my boy. Yeah, it's my boy.
Trop tard, je suis trop loin pour toi. Bonne de mes copines, à mes copines, à mes copines. Je veux la plus bonne de mes copines, à mes copines, à mes copines.
Sige lang, sige. Ayan na naman siya, si Makulit. Oh, ano? Gabi na, ikaw na mag-isa sa labas. Ayun na sila lahat, oh. Nasa loob na. Ano? Talaga naman. Matulog ka na doon, Green. Halika na. Tulog na. Masok ka na doon. Kulit-kulit mo. Kahit nanay mo, oh. Halika. Halika. Hindi na. Pasok na. Gabi na, oh.
Most people don't know this, but all birds are bisexual, and this bird is actually non-binary. Now, this bird is also polyamorous, which is why Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a cracker. I don't wanna live anymore.
That's what it needs. Another one. These cages shouldn't even be in production, right? So, we've made this cage. We've made this cage good now. Exactly. We can throw it exactly where it belongs, right, Pebble? Right in the garbage. They suck.
That's a girl, come on.
I was not born and bred.
Very good, Osiris.
Come on.
Very good. You're doing so good. What kind of flying is that, dude? Go. You can't. This is not for birds to chew on. This is why we can't have nice things. Girl, please, let go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Thank you. Please don't eat that. Hey, Tango, can you come down here so I can check if you're clipped or not? All right, let's take a look. Let me see your wings, good girl. Wow. Well, it would appear that you are not clipped at all, Tango.
Oho. Oho.
Oho.
Oh. Oho. Oh, 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 oh. Quand la nature s'éveille, fais comme le toutou. Guette devient son appel et t'aura plein de bisous. C'est ma chaîne Dinabier, hi Dinabier, yo, je la zingling. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, boy, I swear I'll do the worst.
여기까지. Macaw rất thần奇.
He was excited seeing outside until he saw a big bird flying.
Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties.
No! No! You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this. Don't laugh at me. You're not allowed in here and you know it. No! Look at all of those, your little babies.